Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And as you guys can see, we're back with Kylie Gets a New Hairstyle. Yes, we're back. Got my girl back in my chair, and this was our due right before school started, okay? So this is the message that my girl sent me, okay? She said she wanted some short knotless braids, but she also wanted a little heart. So I said, okay, I can do my little heart. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I am starting the heart in the back. She wanted one on the side and one in the back as well. So you guys already know how I do my hearts. I start off with my little triangle in the middle, and then I kind of curve out the hearts on the side, like make that little crescent moon type shape, that hearts have. Kind of circle it out because it's pretty square right now, but as y'all can see, like I'm taking my comb and just trying to get that rounded little effect at the top. And yeah, so that's how we doing the heart. And let's just talk about how I decided to wait till the doggone very end of Christmas break. I'm talking about like the morning before school, the night before school started, not the morning, the night before school started to do her hair. Now, why I wait till the last minute to do that? Why I did that? I had 3 weeks to do this girl hair for school, and I waited till the night before, honey. But y'all know I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. So bam, after I get my parts the way that I want them to look, I bust it down the middle, honey. Bust it down the middle. Take one side, put it to the side, bam, just like so. Like it right there. And then I take the other side and I bust that in half as well. Well, not really half. I make the top piece a little bit smaller than the piece on the bottom. So I kind of angle it upward, if that makes sense. Y'all see how it's kind of at an angle. It's not just like bust straight across. It's kind of at an angle because I want to follow that shape that I did with the part. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna start from the middle, start braiding, and I'm gonna give myself a few little inches of braid, and then I'm gonna slowly start to feed in the hair because Kylie's hair is really thick. So I like to feed in the hair a little bit later, or as late as I can when it comes to them hearts, because they be so big and puffy if I start from the beginning with the hair. So yeah. And that's what we doing. And my girl did not want the braids to be very long this time. She said she wanted like a little bob / almost top of my back type thing. And I was very surprised, as y'all know. We like some inches, baby. Okay, I guess maybe she seen my bob and got inspired or whatever. But no, we like some inches. So I was real surprised when she was like, I don't want them real long. I want them kind of short. And I was like, okay, girl, we can do that. We can do that. And I don't want to hear nobody in the comments about my tree being over there, okay? At least it's down. I took it down. I ain't put it in the storage yet. I ain't taking it downstairs in my basement, but it's down. I took it down for the new year came in. Nah, I'm making progress. Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Now, y'all gonna see this video skip around a whole lot because, like I said, I waited till the last minute to do it, and we was real tired. So, yeah, now we at the top of her head. Look, I ain't even do no middle in between. Look how tired my baby look. She is annoyed and over her mom, okay? Because her mom waited till the last minute to do this, and she tired, and she gotta wake up for school in the morning because she getting up out of here. She getting up out of here, and she know that too. So that's why she like, dang, man, I should have went to sleep. You should have started early. Yeah, whatever. I didn't. So here we go. Here we are. You still wanted your hair done though. So boom. I also wanted to show y'all how I do my little knotless braid thing, you know what I'm saying, my little technique. So what I do is I part it off, slick it down, as much as I can, and I only like intersect the 3 sections like once, and then I start adding in the hair, only because I feel like it lasts longer that way. If you start to braid down further and then start to add the hair, I've had it done in my head before, and it just makes the braids heavier once your new growth starts to kick in, and they don't last long. They don't last long. So I like to get it as close to the root as possible without getting that knot effect, and that is what helped me. Look at that. Look, what am I talking about? Y'all know what I'm saying. That's what helped me when I do that. So bam, told you this video gonna skip around, baby. Look, she tired. This the morning of school, honey. Let's talk about how I was supposed to put some beads on that then. Okay, bam. So I did the heart on the side as well. Like I said, she wanted one in the back and one on the side. So in order to keep that crisscross effect, I just threaded the 2 braids together just a little bit. Went through it like 2 or 3 times to make sure that it stays in place and that little crisscross would stay there, because I didn't want it to be like split down the middle like they normally are. I wanted them to stay crisscross, and we didn't want 1 braid, we wanted 2. So I just did the same technique with that heart that I showed y'all in the back, and then I just, you know, threaded it like so, like what I just showed y'all. Y'all get it? Okay, cool. Let's just talk about how baby, we didn't put the beads on it that morning for school. She had to wear without the beads the first day. Look, she tired. Look, watch how her face look on this camera, y'all. Look, over it. Oh, look, oh, so over it. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all a new technique on how I learned to bead her. Yeah, I saw people were threading it. So what they did, they took that little braiding thing, not that braiding, that beading thing that comes with the pack of beads, and they cut the bare part off, and you just have like the first little part. You see how I did that? Bam. And you take your thread and you thread it through and put a knot on the end. And as you guys can see, I have like a piece of aluminum foil on the end, and this will give you that. Because I put the aluminum foil, because tying a knot, of course the beads was gonna fall right off. A piece of just a little aluminum foil to cover up that hole for where the beads are does the job. Okay, and I would say it was very simple. I just stuck the hair through. I had a whole bunch of beads loaded up, so I didn't have to keep on stopping to load the braider, feeder, the beater up. You know what I'm saying? It gave me a good little bunch. I only had to like load it up maybe twice, and bam, this is the final look. Look at my girl. Yeah, with her little middle. I don't want. They're not bad. What it is? You know, they a little shorter than what she like them. But yeah, and she has been killing all these hairstyles, honey. She been styling her own hair in the morning. I've been letting her express herself, which I love about a knotless braid, baby. Yeah, get up there, do what you want to do. She did her own edges. She got a little braid in the front. Go, Kylie. Okay, we get to the age where we can do our own hair, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all follow and like this video.